I'm Nick Jones. I'm a water production manager for North East Wales. Here at Alwen we're serving 53,000 properties, which are a mix of domestic and business properties. That equates to about 100,000 customers. Over the past 2 years at Alwen, we've completely renewed the filtration processes. We've also improved and renewed the chlorination equipment and the disinfection equipment. This has included a brand new contact tank and new chlorination equipment. In order that we carried out this work, we had to make 30 work shutdowns to install this new equipment. And I'm really pleased to say that those shutdowns didn't have any impact on our customers whatsoever. This has led to a greatly improved reliability of the works and an enhanced water quality. Initially we focused our attention on the water treatment processes here up at Alwen, but now these are complete, we need to turn our attention onto the wastewater treatment. And over the next 3 years we intend to spend a further £9 million improving those facilities in order that it can now cope with the new capacity from the new works.